In the wee hours this morning, an absolutely grotesque act of violence took place at the Singhu border, barely a few hundred meters away from where the Samyukt Kisan Morcha is protesting. A 35-year-old killed in cold blood, his limbs chopped off, and then he was strung up and put up on display at a police barricade. This video that reminds us of the scenes we've seen coming in from Afghanistan not too long ago when the Taliban was raining atrocities against their detractors. Multiple videos that Times Now has accessed reveal not just the barbarity of the act, but also the inhumane manner in which several people watched on as mute spectators as the young man bled to death. The accused Nihang's group even blocked the police from intervening and taking the body down. All right, here is the response of the Nihang that we are in fact putting out. There is in fact very disturbing visuals that we are looking at, but this is the response of the Nihangs. They say that they are guarding the protest site and this individual had infiltrated into that area.
देखो जी वो कई दिनों तो ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਆ ਕੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਉਹਨੇ ਪਹਿਲੋਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੇ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਵੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਗ੍ਰੰਥੀ ਸਿੰਘ ਇਹ ਡਿਊਟੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਇਹਦੀ ਡਿਊਟੀ ਸੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦੀ ਇਹ ਇਸ਼ਨਾਨ ਪਾਣੀ ਕਰਨ ਚਲਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਇਹਦੇ ਇਸ਼ਨਾਨ ਪਾਣੀ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਨਹਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਅੰਦਰ ਪਾਲਕੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਚਲਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਉਹਨੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਰਮਾਲਾ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦਾ ਤੇ ਦਸਮ ਦਾ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਉਹ ਚੁੱਕ ਕੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਕਤਲਵਾਰ ਉਹ ਇਸ ਪਾਸੇ ਨਿਕਲ ਗਿਆ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਦੋ ਸਿੰਘਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਾਬੂ ਕੀਤਾ
वो यहाँ से ग्रंथ साहिब के पास गए उसके बाद उसकी बेदबी की उसके बाद लोग गए थे क्या हुआ उसके बाद लोग गए थे उसको रोका गया या सीधा जो है हमला हुआ
उसको पकड़ा गया उसको जो पकड़ा है उन्होंने तो वो बहुत दुनिया इकट्ठी होगी लोग इकट्ठे हो गए इकट्ठे जो भीड़ में हुए तो वो किसी ने कुछ चलाया किसी ने कुछ चलाया इसमें वो उसकी हत्या होगी।
संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा ने बयान देकर स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि इस हत्या में इन्वॉल्व जो निहंग ग्रुप है उससे संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा का इस आंदोलन का कोई लेना देना नहीं है। सच बात तो ये है कि पिछले इतने महीनों में हमारे तमाम नेता उनको जाके कह चुके हैं कि भाई ये किसानों का आंदोलन है कोई धार्मिक आंदोलन नहीं है आपके लिए कोई जगह नहीं है इसके अंदर।
It happened in the separate camp that is not Kisan movement. SKM is separate camp, thousands of people we have their camp different place. But before our camp in separate religious group, in a small religious group, they have set up a camp. And we have no relation with that. They are no Kisan organization. They have no relation with the Kisan movement.
वो आगे जा रहा था पर उसको देख नहीं सके कि बेदबी आगे तो बहुत हो चुकी है। उसने बताया कि उसका पहले ये हाथ काटा गया लेफ्ट साइड का और उसके बाद उसकी लेफ्ट साइड की टांग काटी गई। उसके बाद उसकी कुछ ही समय बाद मौत हो जाती है। मौत होने से पहले जो बयान देता है कि हम 20 आदमी हैं, हमको 30-30 हजार रुपया देके वहां भेजा गया है। वो तो कर देंगे, समर्पण तो करेंगे, वो पक्का वो यही है, वो भागे नहीं है। जब हम जथेबंदियां गई उसने बोला कि हमने ये काम किया है तो हम सामने आएंगे, हमको पीछे क्यों लुकेंगे।
All right, let's say this across to our guest. Joining us with us is Charu Pragya, spokesperson of the BJP. Karan Verma, author, is with us. We also have with us Chaudhry Avneet Pawar, of the national president of the Kisan Sena. Mayur Shekhar Jha is a political analyst joining us. Also with us is Abhishek Sudhir, advocate and political analyst. But I first and foremost want to go across to the president of the Kisan Sena, Chaudhry Avneet Pawar. Chaudhry Avneet Pawar ji, संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा ने अपनी स्टेटमेंट जारी कर दी है। क्या इसी में मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सब खत्म हो जाती है? एक स्टेटमेंट जारी करके कहते हैं कि हम इनसे जुड़े नहीं है, ये और लोग हैं जो आके वहां बैठ गए हैं। ये किस तरह का बयान है ये?
देखिए हकीकत तो यही है कि वो हमसे जुड़े हुए नहीं है, वो एक ग्रंथ से जुड़े हुए हैं।
वो आपके मंच के बगल में एक लाश लटका देते हैं और आप कह रहे हैं आपसे जुड़े नहीं है। वो खुद कह रहे हैं कि हम मंच को गार्ड कर रहे थे। किसने उनको अलाउ किया? और क्या आपको किसी भी तरह की नैतिक जिम्मेदारी नहीं लगती लेनी चाहिए इसके लिए?
देखिए हमारी जिम्मेदारी, हम जब हमारे साथ कोई जुड़ा नहीं, हम उसकी जिम्मेदारी कैसे ले सकते?
तो आपके प्रोटेस्ट साइड में कर क्या रहे थे? आपके हाथ से प्रोटेस्ट निकल चुका है सर। मान लीजिए आज नेशनल टेलीविजन पे कि आपके कंट्रोल के बाहर चीजें जा चुकी है। 26 जनवरी के दिन हमने देखा क्या हुआ दिल्ली में, और आज के दिन देखा जा रहा है लोगों को मारा जा रहा है, काटा जा रहा है, लटकाया जा रहा है। जो अफगानिस्तान में तालिबान करती है वो कर रहे हैं आपके सपोर्टर, और आप उन्हें कंट्रोल भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं।
तो बीजेपी के सपोर्टर भी गाड़ियों के नीचे कुचल कुचल के लोग बागों को मार रहे हैं, उसके लिए क्या कहेंगे?
बिल्कुल, उन्हें भी गिरफ्तार करना चाहिए। और आपके लोगों को भी गिरफ्तार करनी चाहिए जो इस तरह की हरकत करते हैं।
उसी तरीके से कानून से बढ़कर कोई नहीं हो सकता भाई साहब। जो भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व है उन्हें गिरफ्तार करना चाहिए और कानून के जो भी सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई वो करनी चाहिए।
आप यहाँ पे बीजेपी मंत्री के इस्तीफा मांग रहे हैं, क्या आपकी नैतिक जिम्मेदारी नहीं बनती है?
हमारी जब हमसे जुड़ा ही नहीं है तो उसके लिए हम कहां से
आपके प्रदर्शन में वहां बैठे हुए हैं लोग, वो आपसे जुड़े नहीं है। ऑल राइट, दैट इज द लॉजिक बीइंग प्रोफेस्ड ओवर हियर। चारू प्रज्ञा, हमारे से जुड़े नहीं है तो हमारी जिम्मेदारी नहीं बनती। दैट इज द लॉजिक बीइंग गिवन हियर बाय चौधरी अवनीत पवार।
Madhav, I'm not just angry today, I'm also immensely sad because what this protest has done is hijack the good name, the noble name of farmers and use it for their own political games, use it for their own political gains and for such heinous crimes. What not has gone on under the guise of this protest, from rape to assault to murder to bringing the name of the nation down on 26 January. This entire thing started on 26 January and from then it has only gone downhill. The farmer leaders need to take accountability now. They need to understand that when their demands have been met, when the government is completely focused and committed to the well-being of Indian farmers, why is this still going on? Why do these so-called farmer leaders need to go to West Bengal for elections, for Uttar Pradesh for elections? Why are they even pretending they're about farmers today? Because this is no longer about farmers and I will not allow them to sully the name of Indian farmers in the name of this protest. This is just not done and I appeal to our government to take the strictest possible action, not just against the perpetrators of this particular crime, against every single person who's been a bystander, who's been mute, these farmer leaders who've encouraged such crimes, and bring a stop to this. This has to happen now.
Let me take this across to Abhishek Sudhir. Abhishek Sudhir, can anyone in their right mind justify this act? And can they in any way run away from their responsibility? Farmer organizations are coming out to say, oh, there was another organization, they insisted on staying there. Why don't the farmer leaders come out and totally admit today the protests have completely gone out of their control?
Right. So, incidents of Lakhimpur happened today. The response.
All right, we have a problem with Abhishek's audio line there. We'll try and reconnect with him. Let me take this question across to Mayur Shekhar Jha. Mayur Shekhar Jha, isn't it quite evident that these are protests or these farmer leaders are not at all in control of what's happening on ground there?
You know, unfortunately, what is happening is that for the last 1 year or so, all the onus is being put on the farmer. There is absolutely no onus on the government.
No, naturally, the farmer leaders have to take responsibility for their protests. Please, you cannot commit an act of violence and then put the onus on the government.
What the Farmer Association has very categorically said, and what even I am saying here on your TV right now, is that should this act be condemned? Can there be two ways about it?
My dear sir, if you give a statement saying that you condemn the violence, does your responsibility end over there?
No, it does not.
After the person is brutally killed, dismembered, his body is hung up there like some kind of barbaric medieval practice. Does the responsibility end over there? What about moral responsibility, sir? What about moral responsibility? Like in the case of Lakhimpur Kheri, which you are often citing, why not take moral responsibility? Fix moral responsibility there. No, I'm asking you a question. Don't come to round. No, answer the question. Answer the question, Mr. Mayur Jha. When you are demanding moral responsibility and the stepping down of the Minister of State for Home, why not take moral responsibility and step down? Admit that these protests have failed. Admit that they are not peaceful protests anymore. Take the example of Mahatma Gandhi in Chauri Chaura and say that you have not been able to control the protests. They are not democratic protests. They are not peaceful protests. Take that responsibility, sir. At least the leaders of the farmer group should have that much of responsibility.
Is any of the are any of the people who are claiming responsibility for this gruesome murder associated directly with the farmer movement? No.
If it is their supporters doing it, they will have to take moral responsibility. Karan Verma, farmer leaders are not accused of murder, so it's fine. No, it's fine. We will protest. We will protest. We will continue with life as it is. We have said sorry, it's all over. One sorry finishes everything. Karan Verma.
Madhav, today this movement is morally bankrupt, just as the two panelists here are. आपने जब पहले पैनलिस्ट से पूछा कि इसके बारे में आपको कुछ कहना है, उन्होंने सट से गोल पोस्ट चेंज किया लखीमपुर खेरी पे डालने में. उन्होंने एक बार भी अफसोस नहीं जताया कि कितनी शर्मनाक हरकत हुई है आज. इनको शर्म आनी चाहिए आज. And today, Madhav, we've seen this coming right from 26 January. Today, heights have been crossed, and it's time the Supreme Court took suo motu cognizance of this movement and declared it unconstitutional under Article 19, subsection 2. In this country, great country of ours, we have a right to protest, but that right is unfettered. It is not unfettered. It is subject to certain conditions. It is subject to morality and public order. Today, this so-called movement has lost complete moral ground. And the brazenness, and let me tell you, let's trace back the roots of what happened today to Mr. Rakesh Tikkait's statement. Will you let me speak, please?
Mr. Mayur Shekhar Jha, Mr. Mayur Shekhar Jha,
when he said,
Mr. Mayur Shekhar Jha, you have spoken a lot. Please allow other panelists to also speak now.
Lynchings, Madhav.
I'll come back to you.
He justified lynchings in his press conference along with Yogendra Yadav. And it is because of these statements, because of these irresponsible statements, that today we've seen a lynching in broad daylight and the brazenness with which they are coming.
All right. Chaudhary Avneet Pawar, आप जवाब दीजिए.
Absolutely shameful.
I want the farmer leader on the panel to respond to that.
Should hang his head in
Yes,
shame today.
Charu, I'm coming to you. Charu and Karan, just a minute. Charu and Karan, you made a point. Just hold on to your thoughts for just a minute. Let me go on cross to Chaudhary Avneet Pawar. राकेश टिकैत की जो बयान थी उसके वजह से हिंसा फैली है और इसी के वजह से इस तरह की घटनाएं हो रही हैं. ये डायरेक्ट आरोप है चारू प्रज्ञा और करण वर्मा का. जवाब दीजिए चौधरी अवनीत पवार.
आरोप लगाने से अच्छा है कि उसका सॉल्यूशन निकाला जाए. इतना धरना इतना लंबा चल क्यों रहा है? धरना इतना लंबा पीसफुल चल रहा है.
तो आप मान रहे हैं, तो आप मानते हैं कि टिकैत साहब के बयान की वजह से ही ये इस तरह की हिंसा हुई है? आप मानते हैं? तो आप मान रहे हैं कि राकेश टिकैत के बयान के बाद से ही इस तरह की हिंसा फैली है?
आप किस बात पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं फिर?
दूसरे मेंबर से
आप किस बात पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, इसका जवाब दे दीजिए आज मीडिया में. जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आपकी बात सुन के इसको सेट असाइड कर दिया, आप किस बात पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं चौधरी साहब? बताइए मुझे आज.
पूछना है तो मैं बताऊंगा ना, आप तो नहीं सवाल करेंगे. एंकर पूछ रहे, मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ. आपने कहा इन्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए. शर्म तो हमें हर चीज में आनी चाहिए.
आपके पास जवाब नहीं है. एंकर क्या पूछ रहे हैं? आपके पास जवाब ही नहीं है आज. आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए आज. आज आप जवाब क्या देंगे? आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए आज. आप जवाब भी मत दीजिए, आपके पास जवाब नहीं है. दिस इज अ प्रोटेस्ट विदाउट अ कॉज, माधव.
Okay. Karan Verma and Charu Pragya. One second. Let him speak. You asked him a question. Allow him to respond now. Chaudhary Avneet Pawar, क्या आप नेशनल टेलीविजन पे आज ये एडमिट कर रहे हैं कि राकेश टिकैत के बयान के बाद ही इस तरह की हिंसा का बढ़ावा मिला है? क्या ये एडमिट कर रहे हैं आप? हाँ या ना?
नहीं, हम नहीं कर रहे.
तो कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं आप इस तरह के बयान उनके?
तो ये दिखा रहे हैं अपनी सच्चाई, ये एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं अपनी सच्चाई कि ये चाहते हैं देश में अराजकता फैले. इन्हें किसानों से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. इन्हें किसानों से कोई लेना देना था ही नहीं. अभी भी आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं इन सब चीजों को. अभी भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. माधव, he should not be allowed to sit on a channel today. He should not be allowed unless they understand what they are doing.
No, the problem is that there is refusal to take any kind of responsibility. Mayur Shekhar Jha, let me bring in Mayur Shekhar Jha on that. Mayur Shekhar Jha, you know, at least a modicum of taking responsibility, of taking onus for an event that is being organized under the banner of the SKM has to be there. How can they shy away from this responsibility, sir, when they are primarily organizing these protests? These protests, nobody has a problem with the protests if they are peaceful. But this certainly cannot be allowed.
The perpetrators of the violence were handed over to the police by the Andolan itself. Has the Andolan said that they will not cooperate in any investigation?
Sir, the protesters did not allow the police to the spot for several hours. Let me also put that on record. Why do you conveniently forget that?
No. You are misconstruing.
Of course, it's a fact.
You are completely misconstruing fact. The leaders of the Andolan have been very cooperative.
Does their moral responsibility end with handing over of the body? Does their moral responsibility end with handing over of the body, Mr. Jha?
Madhav, talking of moral responsibility, in case of...
They've been very responsible, true.
You know, the talking of moral responsibility, you know, the moral, in case of Lakhimpur, it's not about moral responsibility because of which we are seeking the Home Minister's resignation. The moral responsibility is with the Chief Minister. If we had to seek resignation on based on a moral responsibility,
sir,
we'll be seeking resignation of the Chief Minister.
You have sought action on the Home Minister, on the MOS Home, on the basis of actions of his son. and you have asked for
That's
him to
because
step down.
that's because-
Similarly, why should not the leaders of the farm protest now step down? Why don't they take responsibility? Just condemning such an act, is it enough? How can it be enough?
A very powerful
A
man.
person has been so brutally killed. A person has been so brutally killed, and the responses that we're getting from farmer leaders are just homilies.
The only problem here is that all morality is expected of the protesting farmers.
It is expected on all sides. It is expected on all sides. When questions are being asked about law and order situation going out of hand, certainly they will have to take responsibility for their acts, Mr. Jha.
Responsibility of either the central government or the state governments.
Okay, Charu wants to respond to you on that. Charu Pragya.
You are saying that the farmers should not interfere. Charu just pointed out that why
First of all, me, you and the viewers have all seen how they refuse to take any responsibility. Forget responsibility, they don't even have words of condolences to offer. They do not understand what they have done. They should immediately apologize, they should step back, and they should admit that since all farmers' demands have been fulfilled, they need to come clean. They need to come clean, and they need to understand that this is not the way. You have a right to protest, agreed, but all rights are tempered with duties. And do you not think it is your duty to take onus, to take responsibility when rape, murder and whatnot goes on right under your nose, and you have the audacity of actually endorsing it when you are not apologizing for it?
All right, there are a number of questions. A lot of them continue to remain unanswered. We have to slip into a quick break for now, but I'd like to thank Charu Pragya, Karan Verma, Chaudhary Avneet Pawar and Mayur Shekhar Jha for joining us on the channel this evening.